In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping zones on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From your admin dashboard, head down to settings, then open shipping and delivery. In the shipping section, choose general shipping rates for your main shipping profile. This is where you'll manage which regions you ship to and what your customers are charged at checkout. You'll typically see a domestic shipping zone for your home country and an international shipping zone for everywhere else. Each zone can have its own rates and rules. To manage a zone, click the three-dot menu next to it. From here, you can edit the zone or delete it if you no longer ship to that region. Be careful with deletion. If a zone is removed, customers in that area won't be able to check out unless another applicable zone exists. Inside a zone, click Add Rate to set what customers will pay. Choose your rate type. You can create a flat rate that you define or use a carrier or app to calculate live rates. Give your rate a clear name that customers will recognize, such as standard shipping or express. Add a delivery description to set expectations like estimated delivery times. Then set the price for the rate. This can be a paid amount or zero if you're offering free shipping. When you're done, click Done to save that rate. Repeat this to add multiple options within the same zone if you want to offer different speeds or price tiers. If you need to ship to new countries or regions that aren't available yet, click Add Shipping Zone. If you're prompted to add more countries or regions in markets, follow that link. In Shopify Markets, click Create Market, then Add Condition, and select the countries or regions you want to include in this market. Click Done, then Save. Markets control which locations your store serves, and shipping zones draw from those locations, so this step makes the new destinations available for your zones. After saving the market, choose Manage Shipping to jump back to shipping settings, and open General Shipping Rates again. Now click Add Shipping Zone, select the countries or regions you just enabled, and click Done. With the new zone created, add rates just like you did earlier. Choose the rate type, name it clearly, add a helpful delivery description, set the price, and confirm. That's it. You now know how to review your existing zones, add and edit rates, enable new countries through markets, and create new shipping zones so your checkout shows the right options to the right customers.